How to save digital recipes on iPhone. Let's get started. You'll need to download this third-party app, Copy Me That. So go ahead and open your App Store, search for the app Copy Me That. Once the app appears, install it. After completion of its installation process, you can launch this app. Now you have to create your account using Facebook or your email address. Once you create it, you will land to this kind of page. Now you can close this, head towards the Safari browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, you can search for the recipe that you want to download. I'm gonna search for pasta recipe. With that, different website links will appear. Head towards the website from which you want to download the recipe. Once you open it, at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on this arrow icon given at the bottom middle. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. You will find the option of Copy Me That as well. If you cannot find it, click on the option of More. Now over here, you will see the option of Copy Me That. You have to click on it. With that, you will find the recipe. You can just scroll down and check. Now I can click on Confirm. Now this recipe has been saved to the app. Well, this is how you can easily save digital recipes on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.